Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. Here we go then. We are back with the results of the close-up coins games. There was 7 alphabet coins in this video, and again a huge shout out to everyone that played along. Know that this game isn't for everyone, but for those that enjoy it, hope you enjoyed this one. The first coin was A for Angel of the North. The second one's making me hungry now. It's E for English Breakfast. Definitely a winner. One of 3 different food items to feature on the alphabet coins: fish and chips and also I for ice cream. We move on then, a little bit of a rotation we've got on this one. Coin number 3 was the C for cricket. Beautiful cover drive there. The wickets staying intact. Doesn't normally happen when I'm playing. We move on then, coin number 4. Quite a difficult one, this one. It is indeed the G for Greenwich Mean Time. There it is there on the right hand side. Absolutely beautiful, the design work on this one. We move on then to coin number 5. Easy one. It's the Jubilee. Again, 50p coin. You may have found the Platinum Jubilee to mark 70 years of Queen Elizabeth II being our monarch. This one, the beautiful carriage there. J for Jubilee. What a stunner. We'll move on then to number 6. What a nice coin. This one then, we've got the stethoscope in the shape of a love heart hooped around the letter N, and the N is indeed for the NHS. 1998, we had the NHS 50p coin released for circulation. Unfortunately, 75 years. This year, we didn't get the 2023 Dan's Dollars NHS 50p, but one day, I'm sure, we'll get a coin of our own in the wild. P for Postbox rounds it off. Purple Fairy, Smithy, Francisco Pizzo, Chrissy Cross and Squirrel in coins. 7 out of 7 and a full house to you.